sure how many of you guys have been following my story, but long story short, I bought a '89 Montero. Guy told me it was great, running perfect. There was a bunch of like band-aids put on it, and turns out that it was a piece of shit. So I've been searching high and low for a heater core because the heater core in mine was a complete bust. Turns out there are no heater cores anywhere. Closest thing I could find after searching with tons of people, through forums, through everything, found one in Europe for $1,500. Wasn't willing to pay it since I only paid $1,800 for the truck to begin with. So been looking around at junkyards and eventually found one locally, which was fantastic. Went over there with my dad, and me and him ripped out the dash within like 2 hours and pulled out this whole box. And everything on this looks perfect, except for this little part here on the top. So I am going to, in this video, take the one off of here, take the one off of my old one because it is good, and I'm going to do a swap on it. So take a watch. I might be very different. Okay. So now for this one. Which that one? This side. You can tell